guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and it's time for another episode of Can It Game? It doesn't matter if you're new here or if you've seen this show before. The rules of engagement are the same. Smartphones come in all shapes and sizes. Some have great design, great cameras, great screens, but in this series, we don't care about any of that. All we want to know is, can they actually play games, and how good are they at it? So this is episode 4 now, and for a quick recap, we've taken a look at the Vivo X21, the Honor Play, and the Vivo V11. But now it's time to bring out the chosen one. A lot of you have requested this phone, so here it is, the Pocophone F1. And as many of you already know, this phone is packing some serious hardware, Snapdragon 845, the best Qualcomm chipset on the market right now. 6GB or 8GB of RAM, and 64GB or 128GB of storage. But the unit we're using for this video has 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Now these specs pretty much already guarantee great performance, but the reason why the Pocophone F1 is so popular is because you get all of that at a relatively low price. And I mean very low. It's under 20,000 pesos, which is insane. So aside from the hardware, the software also helps with performance. It's running a custom Android skin called Poco Launcher, as well as Poco turbocharged engine, which boosts startup time, overall performance, and responsiveness. Okay, with that established, let's get started. But first, we need to optimize our setup. All we have installed in the phone for this review are the games and benchmarks we're gonna be using for testing. In the developer options, we have animation speed set to 0.5. The reason we do this is to minimize as much unnecessary load as humanly possible, so we can maximize performance. Now let's begin our first test. So the phone is turned off now, and let's see how long it takes to completely boot up. Okay, now let's check the UI. So apps launch very quickly even when there are a lot running in the background. You can switch between them with not really any lag. And overall, it's just snappy. Benchmark time! In Antutu, we have a whooping score of almost 265,000 points. In PC Mark, we have a little over 7,400, so productivity is no issue here. And when we get to 3D Mark, we're averaging 3,000 between the OpenGL and Vulkan tests. Oh, this is making me excited for the gaming portion of this video. I'm already sweating. So for our test games, we chose some of the most graphically demanding mobile games out on the Play Store. We have PUBG Mobile, Rules of Survival, Mobile Legends, Tekken Mobile, and Asphalt 9. I'm gonna play each game for at least 15 minutes because we're gonna be using Game Bench to track our average frames per second, as well as temperature. Then after our gaming sessions, which will last me about an hour and a half, let's check the phone's surface temperature and how much battery we have left. So what the f*** are we waiting for? Here's a montage. Done. So let's discuss the results. Gaming on the Pocophone F1 is silky smooth, even at the highest graphics settings. We're getting high frame rates as you can see here. I don't recall experiencing much lags or hiccups at all while playing, and I had a great time. One thing I can say though is that the phone got quite hot in my hands, reaching 40 degrees Celsius at one point, which caused a little bit of discomfort. But hey, maybe the phone was reminding me to take a break. Okay, and finally, here is how much battery we have left. And with all these results, we must condense it all and conclude this video with a one-word answer. Can the Poco F1 game? Absolutely. I mean, Snapdragon 845 and lots of RAM? What did you expect? It's not surprising at all, really. But the reason I'm so excited about this is because this amount of performance is attainable at such a low price compared to other phones with the same chipset. It's unbelievable. So yes, the Poco F1 can definitely game, and right now at the time of publishing this video, it's the absolute best bang for your buck smartphone for the purposes of gaming. It's one hell of a deal. But speaking of deals, you can buy products at your favorite gadget store on multi-installment with Flexi Finance. Just 2 valid IDs, 10% down payment, and 30 minutes processing. For more information, visit www.flexi.com.ph or their Facebook page at flexi.ph. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. What phone do you want us to test out in the next episode? Perhaps something under 10,000 pesos? Let us know in the comment section or hit us up on Twitter at YugaTech or send a message to our Facebook page. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and hit the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. Again, this is Kim of YugaTech and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!